destination. The Lulu is now underwater off Alabama's coast. We were there as the freighter sank on Sunday.
Yeah, now we've got exclusive video on board the Lulu as it went down. Cameras are able to give those of us who won't be scuba diving anytime soon an underwater tour of the ship.
That is cool stuff. Local 15's John Zanitas was at Sunday's sinking. John, this new video, as you can see, is pretty incredible.
It really is, Greg. Mitch Kraft from Down Under Dive Shop in Gulf Shores was the first diver down on the Lulu. Fortunately, he brought back a lot of video for all of us to see.
She sank quick.
Quick wasn't quick enough.
All I could do was think about getting down there.
Mitch Kraft got his wish.
I was actually the first person to touch the ship underwater.
Just 45 minutes after the Lulu sank.
And it wasn't fast enough. I could not wait.
Mitch's job was to make sure the sinking was a success. Did the ship land upright? Was there any damage?
We didn't know what to expect going down there.
There were some tense moments on the way down.
As soon as I saw it laying flat, it just kind of took a load off because I knew she was sitting pretty.
The rust was gone.
It was already clean. It was just like the ship had just been spit shined. It was awesome.
Fish were already moving in.
A school of about 15 to 20 snappers swam up.
It wasn't long before customers started lining up.
We actually had a dive charter on it the next day.
Mitch says the Lulu will mean extra business for Alabama dive shops and charter boat captains.
We expect to hopefully be going to that wreck at least 2 or 3 days a week.
But more importantly, the Lulu will serve as an ambassador, attracting divers to Alabama.
People don't even understand what we have here. I've had people call and ask if we're in Florida. People don't understand that the Alabama Gulf Coast is as beautiful as it is.
Now, the Alabama Reef Foundation told me the Lulu is just the beginning. They hope to sink 2 more ships in the next 2 years. Andrea?
All right, John, thank you.